Good morning, good day, and welcome to the industrial capital of Trinidad Tobago, San Fernando, the southern city. I am Val.
And I'm Eve, welcoming you to our kitchen today,
so that we may share with you our cooking experience.
Good day, folks. Today we are going to do some Saheena. So normally I don't buy the grind dal in the pack. I like to soak my dal or split peas, as some of you all may know it, and grind it. So for 2 pounds of split peas, I will do like 10 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons salt, a tablespoon jeera, a tablespoon of jeera or cumin, a tablespoon of saffron or turmeric, 10 leaves of bandania, 1 whole pepper. Yeah, that's it. So now we're going to grind up some dal or split peas. Make sure all the grains get in. And I normally grind the garlic and the bandania or sharobeni and pepper together, so everything gets nicely incorporated. This is the consistency you want. To that I'm going to add salt, 2 tablespoons salt, or you can add to taste. Cool. I'm just going to add some saffron or turmeric, as some of you all may know. A little bit of garam masala flavor, and cumin or jeera. Nice. Right, and we stir this up. Get it really nice and incorporated in there. Remember, it's already had the garlic, pepper, and the sharobeni, bandania. Now to this, I am going to add a little flour and baking powder. Half cup of flour. So we do half cup of flour. And 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And that's measurement for 2 pounds of dal or split peas. Mix everything together. So while the mixture is resting, your dal is resting, we prepare our leaves now for the Saheena. And we're going to do the chip up Saheena, or bhaji burgers as some of us know it. So we peel off the stem and the tip, of course. Growing up, they tell you that the tip, it will scratch. So just peel the stems, wash them, chip them up, and I like to steam them in some hot water before I mix it into my mixture. So now our leaves are prepped, washed. We're gonna chop them up really fine as possible. Especially the tip where that hard stem is, make sure and get all that really fine. And we're just gonna put that in now to steam for a bit. Just as soon as your water comes to a boil, I'm going to strain it off now, all of the water. Drain, 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 drain. You squeeze out as much as the water as possible because when you add it to your mixture, it will get soggy. You don't want that. And you add it to your mixture. So and then you incorporate everything in. Right, so we're gonna put our oil to hot. For this kind of frying, you need really high heat, so that's why I'm using the 1 burner stove. Turn this on. Right. While the oil is hotting, wash hands. Same thing, you take a ball, and for the Saheena, you want it a little flatter than the kachori. Kachori is rounder, Saheena is flatter. Right, so you take like so, squeeze them together, make a ball, and then you flatten. Now guys, I am accustomed doing this, so if you all are doing it for the first time, please use a spoon to drop it in. Don't want anybody getting burnt out there. Mind you, I burnt a few fingers in my days, so before I could have gotten it right. Sometime in picking it up, they will fall apart, so you just pat them back together and they're good to go again. It's nice rainy weather Saheena. This is what we call comfort food in Trinidad. Or some people like to call it bhaji burgers.